Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase budget efficiency with Mint detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase budget efficiency with Mint, start by creating an account. Visit the Mint website or download the Mint app from your device's app store. Sign up using your email and create a secure password. Once logged in, connect your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows Mint to automatically track your transactions. Categorize your expenses by reviewing the suggested categories. Adjust any misclassified transactions for accuracy. Set up your monthly budget by choosing categories and defining spending limits. Use Mint's budgeting tools to visualize where your money is going. Regularly monitor your transactions through the dashboard. Check for trends in spending over time. Adjust your budget categories based on these trends for greater control. Utilize alerts to stay informed about approaching budget limits. Explore Mint's insights and recommendations for additional savings tips. Consider reviewing your subscriptions and recurring payments. Cancel any unused or unnecessary services to free up cash. Use the goal setting feature to save for specific targets. Track progress towards your goals within the app. Engage with the financial education resources offered by Mint. Stay proactive in managing your budget by updating it regularly. Review your financial goals quarterly to ensure they align with your current situation. By consistently applying these practices, you'll see improvements in your budget efficiency over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.